Before this video starts, I just want to say a special thanks to Valve for sending me this amazing model, which I purchased. Obviously, I purchased this model accidentally, thinking that I purchased it with the landing gear, but I didn't purchase it with the landing gear, so I emailed them, and they actually let me buy the landing gear, which is amazing, which was only £4 with shipping. They sent it for free, so all I had to do was pay for the £4 shipping, which is amazing. So they're very helpful for that, so I just want to say very special thanks to them. Make sure to check out their channel. I'll hopefully pin them in this video and in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video today. I haven't done an unboxing video for a while, but today's video is going to be quite special because this is going to be the biggest model I have ever unboxed, and it's 3D printed, which is very cool. So in this box right here, I'm just covering this bit up here because it's got my address and everything on it. In this box right here should be a 3D printed, wow, 3D printed A320 from Valve Models, which is a company or business or whatever you want to say that specialises in 3D printed models, which is pretty epic. So, ooh, wow, very, very, very brilliant. There's a tail. Ooh, this feels very, very sturdy. So, I think I'll pause the video here and get all of these bits out of the box, and then after that, I'll assemble it on the table. So, for you it'll be a second, but for me it'll be a while. So, I'm back with everything out of the box. There's quite a lot of stuff in the box, which is very cool. So the main part here is the A320 Neo fuselage, which is very heavy. And so here we go. Let's start to assemble it. Might have to do a bit of it off camera. So we have the tail fin, so it should go in there like that. Quite difficult, but I think I've got it in there good enough. Try to do the next one on camera, which is honestly quite difficult. I think I've put them the right way around. Yeah. So we have the second one here, in like that. So we have the I forgot what they're called, but anyways, we have the tail fin here. I think it's the ailerons that we just put in, but we have the tail, which goes in just like so, which is looking very good. Then we have the sharklets here, which should just join into the end of the wings, like that. They do feel a bit loose. I might have to glue them in. We have the second one here, which also feels very loose. So I might have to glue that in. Anyways, we have them. We will now pop the wings into the main fuselage. this right? I think I am. So there is a connection. Oh, whoops! There is a connection there, and this wing is, whoops, meant to go in like that. But for some reason I can't get it in, which is quite annoying. Very strange. Maybe try the other one. Oh, sharklets fell off again. Sadly having the same problem with the other one, which is quite annoying, but I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong there. So yeah. Oh, hang on. Whoa, hang on. I've just managed to do the first wing. I must have just been doing it wrong. Got to try and remember how I done that now. Yes, there you go. Finally done the wings. That must have just been a problem on my behalf. So we have the engines here, which I'm now going to pop in. It's kind of difficult doing it on camera, so I do apologise for that. Alright. Do that with the wing off, because that just fell out. Not sure if both of these engines are the same or if they go a certain way round. Must admit, I am having difficulty putting this model together. Whether that's just me, whether the other models are easier than this one, I do not know. Oh. It's very delicate, but I do think you have to use force. There you go. Should be the engine in. Like so. There you go, the engine's now in. And I'll do the same for the other one. There you go. So, another thing is, I did order this aircraft with landing gear, and I have checked through the whole box, and sadly the landing gear didn't come. So, don't know what I'll do about that. But the main thing is, we got the aircraft, and we now have the finished product here, which is absolutely amazing. So with the sharklets, the wingtips, I will just have to fix them in place because they are a bit wobbly. But that just does look stunning, doesn't it? That is amazing. That is absolutely beautiful. Wow. And the actual actual cabin opens, this is just, wow. Well done, Valforest models, on this, because this is brilliant. This is such a brilliant model. The only thing is, it's the landing gear, which is a bit annoying, but hopefully I'll be able to sort something out about that. But I think I'll wrap up the video here. This is quite a long video, mostly of me struggling, so I apologise about that. But this is an amazing model, and I will hopefully buy more models from them in the future. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.